Hi everyone, I'm happy that you're here with me today because I have some new pens to show you. Do these pens kind of look familiar? Well, these are 2.0 versions of some popular past pens that I released way long time ago. Now you're able to get the 2.0 version. Let me go through each one. This pen is Classic and Fabulous 2.0. It has Tiffany blue paint, black hardware, and iridescent crystals. The original version, which was released back in 2018, has silver hardware and clear crystal. So 2.0 and the original. The next pen that everyone has been asking about is Rainy Days. This one is Rainy Days 2.0. This one has very kind of a deep sky blue glossy paint, and then blue and turquoise, light turquoise crystals. This one on the top is the original one, which was released back in 2018. The paint's a little bit different, and then the crystals, as you can see, the new one is much more brighter and bolder. I know this one is going to be so popular. Let me introduce you to Tiffy 2.0. This is a very popular pen. It has light pink paint, glossy paint, black hardware, and pink, black, and clear crystals. Now let me show you the original one, which was released back in 2018. So you can see that the paint is a little bit lighter. The hardware is gold, but the crystals are the same. So big difference is the paint is a little bit lighter. The last pen that I want to show you is Sugar Plum 2.0. It's all silver hardware with light purple, teal, and a pink crystal. So you're probably thinking Sugar Plum had 3 pens. So when I first designed the Sugar Plum pen, it was supposed to be one pen with these 3 colors, but instead my old manufacturer made a mistake and made 3 pens with 3 different colors. So now we have the way it's supposed to be, one pen with all 3 crystals. And those are the 4 pens that we'll be releasing this month. Again, thank you guys so much for your patience. A lot of shipping delays, but they're finally here. Which one's your favorite? And if you're looking at these, the 2.0 ones are these ones that I'm leaving behind. I will be posting pictures in the listing, so if you need to get a close-up view, you'll be able to check the listing. All right, there you have it. Don't forget, mark your planner for Saturday the 29th. I will see you real soon. Bye.